This is HydroSketch tutorial 11, which is on the File menu, which is the pull down that you see here, and I'll go over each one of these items or commands that are on this list. The first one is the new command. The new command will ask to save the current drawing or not, then goes back to the start page and allows you to select the file name from a list of files in your database or start a new file on the same page. To demonstrate this, I'll bring in this drawing here, and let's say I want to say new. And it says, do I want to save it or not? And let's say I do not want to save it because I've already saved it. It now goes back to my start page where I can either type in a new file name, hit submit, and it starts this new file. The second command on the file pull down menu is the import command. When you click on the import command, it does not ask to save the current drawing, so if you wanted it saved, you should save it before you hit the import command. A dialog box will come up, and it allows you to select a .hs file to import into this screen. What I'll do is I'll bring that other screen over, the other implementation over, and I'll hit import. It goes back to, and I have a few different HS files I had exported before. I'll click on one of those. And it brings up that imported file. That is, it translates the .hs file into a HydroSketch drawing file. The next command is the open command. This will allow you to open another page and load a new or old drawing onto this other page. And it keeps the original drawing with the original drawing open. So this is my original drawing and it's open. I go to the open command, click on it, it brings up this screen. I can pick either a existing drawing or I could start a new drawing here. I will go down and pick one of these drawings, and now this drawing is open in a separate page than the original drawing. So now I have two HydroSketch drawings open. The next command is the save command, and this just saves the current drawing under the current name. This is an update to the save as command in HydroSketch. The save as command saves the new file name in your drawing list on your start page, as well as it changes the current file name, as I'll demonstrate. I pull down the file menu, click save as, it asks for a new name. I'll type in test3. It goes off and saves it as test3, as well as it changes the name in the left hand corner of your current drawing file. The autosave on is by default on all the time. You can switch it off by picking autosave off, turns it on, autosave on, turns it off. So it tells you what the status is when you pull up this menu. So right now the autosave is off. If I want to turn it on, I will click that on. Now every 2 minutes it will save this drawing under its current name. The delete command will delete the drawing that you're in right now from your drawing list in the start page, which I don't want to do here. The print command is very multitasking in that you can print to a printer as well as you can print to a PDF file, and then this PDF file can be stored on your disk and sent to other people, as well as it has a dialog box where you can change your view of it, as well as you can change the destination of where you'd like to go with this. I've got it say save on PDF, so it allows you to save as a PDF file. The export command, which is the last on the list, what that does is this exports the current drawing to a .hs file that can be saved on your system and sent to other HydroSketch users to be imported from the import command we talked about earlier as a drawing. So it is a way of transferring HydroSketch files from one user to another, and it's a way of saving it on your system also. That concludes this tutorial on HydroSketch file pull-down menu. For more tutorials and related hydronics videos, subscribe to Hydronic Pro's YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button on the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Thanks.